Ikereka ria 18 ria mahenya ma Stanchart marathon rigatabania tariki 31 mweri wa ikumi mwaka uyu.
All right, a round of applause.
Mahenya maya maria mahanikaga oro mwaka maruguririo umuthi mutito-ini wa mbere guku Nairobi na kuria gugwikinyitio ni anyiti itemi ngurani.
This year we will have a hybrid marathon. A hybrid marathon means that we will have two races. We will have the physical marathon, which will be held on the actual day on 31st of October. That marathon will be run on the Southern Bypass, and the point of entry to the marathon will be the carnival grounds.
Gukiri uguo mwaka uyu no ateng'eri 2,500 makanyita itemi thiini wa mahenya ma bara na beno ikinyiha ni undu wa kurigiriria gutherema kwa murimu wa COVID-19.
For the virtual marathon, we will also look for the runners to run all the races, the 42 kilometers, men and women, the 21 kilometers, men and women, the 10 kilometers, and the 5 kilometers fun race.
Kogena kuo Mark Otieno uria warikiria ri namba 2 muguthurano wa gucagura athaki a Kenya ihenya ria mita 100 augite gikino kiambiriria na ari na matanya ma gwika wega thiini wa mbitika cia Olympics. Mark Otieno uria uranyita itemi thiini wa mbitika ici cia Tokyo aretio uhingo ya kwamukira uteithio wa ciringi milioni 1 kuma kuri kambuni ya Safaricom cia mehariria.
The sponsorship for Safaricom, it has really helped me, especially just to focus on the Olympics and even after the Olympics. So I'm looking forward especially to take my wife for a vacation. That's one thing that we've been planning for.
Delighted that Safaricom is involved with Mark Otieno to support him as he engages on these journeys.
Mark makambatiria federa thiini wa ihenya ria mita 100 mari na Ferdinand Manyara uria warikiria ri wa mbere hingo ya ucagurani.
Looking forward also to go to South Africa and train for the next, especially next year since we are having Commonwealth Games, Africa Championship and also World Championship. So I'm looking forward to go there.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gĩcimu.